Hello YouTubers, thank you for watching Frank's Ride On. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a leaking fork seal using a Yoplait yogurt cup. Friend of mine, Massimo from I Ride You Watch, taught me this trick a couple years ago, and I did it 2 years ago, and that seal stayed non-leaking for 2 years. I have ridden a lot of dirt since then, so it did start leaking again. This fix is super easy to do and very effective. So first of all, you can see a normal fork with no oil on it, no lines or rings going across, which means that is oil seeping and it's gathering dirt. Where if I turn it to this side, you'll see the little rings right here and the up and down motions from dirt. So I've had a lot of oil leaking out of this, and with a simple empty yogurt cup you can fix this. So using a simple Yoplait yogurt cup, you're going to cut a line straight down, then what you want to do is you want to cut the top lip off, make sure you have no ridges on it. Okay, so there you have your plastic yogurt cup. Now on the bottom here, you're almost going to do like upside down waves. You are going to go like this, so in effect you end up looking like little shark fins. You cut the very points off. So that's kind of what you have in effect. Then the next step is very simple. So I'm hoping you can see the fork seal on the top right here. So what you're going to do, you wrap the cup around the fork seal, and then you slowly rotate it backwards into the seal while squeezing tight. There we go. So what you're going to do is you are going to rotate it like that. And just turn it in there. And then pull it back out. Like that. And what it does, these little notches that you created go flat between the seal and the chrome of the fork, and it pulls that dirt out and it reseals it. I won't have another problem on this for the next couple years now. Thanks for watching. Bye.